Okay, the question here says that we should solve for x, sorry, solve for y, if the square root of 24 plus the square root of 96 minus the square root of 600 is equal to y root 6. It's a very simple question. Okay, so let's just start it and then try to run out of time. I'm not very busy today. I did very busy die. So let's just take it very fast. Solution to this question here. If the square root of 24 plus the square root of 96 minus the square root of 600 is equal to y root 6, that means y root 6 is equal to all this value also. So that means, let me check how it this way. Y root 6 is also equal to the square root of 24 plus the square root of 96 minus the square root of 600. So let me just divide my board. If you can find factors of numbers from the primary class, that means you don't have any problem. This method I want to use. It's a very simple one. So let's just take it. Factors of number, using factors of number. So I want to find the factors of each and every of this. Like factors of 400, 24, factors of 96, and factors of 600. Let's do it fast, the rough part here. Let's start with 24. So I'm going to have here y root 6, which you are looking for y to give you. Change 24. 24. What can divide 24? 2. To have what? 12. 2 again, I'm having 6. 2 again, I'm having what? 3. 3, I'm having what? 1. So these are the factors I'm going to use. So I'm going to have here the square root of, root 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So that I change this 24 to this factors. Express it in the factors. Okay, plus that of 96. Do it again. 96. No, trust me, just listen to this one. You don't even get problem. You don't even make mistake because no mistake for this one. Okay, 2 can divide 96 to have 48. 2 can divide 58 to have 24. 2 can divide 24 to have 12. 2 can divide 12 to have 6. 2 can divide 6 to have 3. And 3 can divide 3 to have 1. So I'm going to, how many 3 2 you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. So I'm going to have a 96. I'm going to change what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times how many 3? 1, 3. Times 3. See, ba? Okay, what they say? Put a minus. That of 600. That of 600. Let's still do the same thing. Now the same thing go do throughout to like repetition. It's very simple stuff. 2 by 600 is 300. 2 by 300 is what? 150. 2 by 150 now waiting. 75. You correct so? Yes, correct. What can divide this again? I think 3. 3 here, what do you have? 3 by 75 is what? We are having 25. But yes. So now, what can divide 25? 5. To have 5, 5 can having 1. See that? So 600, these are the factors. I'm going to how many 2? 3 2. So I'm having 2 times 2 times 2. That is 3. Times how many 3? 1 3. Times 3. Times how many 5? 5 times 5. See ba? After you don't express and like this, or more, while I don't finish. Everything don't go with that. So all these big questions, straight in the carrots go back primary school. Yeah. So what do you have here now? Y root 6 to give you, if you look very well, 2 is 2 times a. I'm going to have here 2 times 2. So since 2 is 2 times, I'm going to call it what? 1 2. Then bring it outside. Okay, so I'm going to, okay, let me just have it 2 times 2, which is what? Root 4 now. So I'm having then times, I've multiplied this one to have this already. Then I'm 2 times 3 is what? 6. I'm having a root 6. See how? Okay, go to the other one. Plus 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is what? 4. I'm having root 4. Times 2 times 2 again. What do you have? 4. That is root 4 again. Times 3. 2 times 3 is what? 6. That is root 6 now. See how? Then put your minus. Here, 2 times 2 is what? 4. I'm having root 4. Samba. 5 times 5 is what? 25. I'm having here times root 25. And this one, 2 times 3. You know this, no be the same number, so you just multiply them. Times here is what? Root 6. Okay, so come back now. You have y root 6 now to give you The square root of 4 is what? 2 times the square root of 6, which seems to be a rational number. So you just write the square root of 6. Plus, square root of 4 is what? 2 times, the square root of 4 is what? 2 times square root of 6 is what? Root 6 is a rational number. Minus, square root of 4 here is what? 2 times square root of 25 is what? 5 times square root of 6. But, how about now? Let me say you had a more really good, really good. Okay, so I'm having y root 6 now to give you 2 times root 6 is what? 2 root 6. Plus 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times root 6 is what? 4 root 6. Minus 2 times 5 is what? 10. 10 times root 6 is what? 10 root 6. Okay, if you dey observe wetin I dey observe, you go know say inside this root na 6, inside here na 6, inside here na 6. Me I like them. So that 6 dey inside all of them. The rule of law or rule of third says that if the values inside the root are the same, you can subtract or add it. So that if they are not the same, you know if you do one number, go rule on the one where they the same. So since they are the same, I'm only going to pick out the whole number same. And the whole number here is what? 2. The number answer here is 2. Plus here is what? 4. Plus here is, sorry, minus. See that? 2 plus 4 minus what? 10. Then, since the roots are the same, I will just take 1. We'll say, I have here root 6. That's how the rule of third. Okay? So now, 2 plus 4 is what? 6. 6 minus 4, 6 minus 10 is what? Minus 4 root 6. What if you do again now? Very good. Question don't finish with that. Okay, so now you have to now take it back here. Y root 6 is equal to this. Y root 6 is equal to this. Okay, so what you do now? Divide both sides by the coefficient of y. What is the coefficient of y here? Tell me now. Talk. That's where your mind correct. So the coefficient of y is what? Root 6. So divide here by root 6. Divide here by root 6. See, root 6 will cancel root 6. So here root 6 now will cancel root 6. Get back? So now y, what do you have left here? Y is equal to what do you have left here? Minus 4. Get an like this for essay exams or more everywhere don't go. You don't get any problem. See ba? Minus 4. So get it. If you just want to like this for exam, my guy, everywhere don't go. You get any problem with that. Just understand how the field is going to when you think of how you just lead them such a way that you practice sometimes theory to make sure you get the correction. But that means this and that, the back of where you understand. Just say, take them outside. Just an idea.